Guys, I am here at Rewind Aesthetics and Trichology. I'm here with Jordan, Sheila, and Belisa. Guys, thank you for having us today, and congratulations, you guys have won in our Viewers' Choice Awards in 5 different categories, including Best Dermatology Clinic and Best Laser and Skincare. Congratulations. We're super happy for you guys.
Thank you.
So let's start off. First of all, Jordan, what would you attribute your success to here?
In the beginning, it was to treat people with a warm welcome when they enter and to make them feel like family, make them feel like they're at home.
Yeah,
Feeling comfortable when you go for a treatment of any type is intimidating, so they need to feel comfortable. And the rest of it is state-of-the-art equipment and the staff.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, you guys do treat us like family when we come in. I come here personally, and I know, every time I've been here, the staff is fantastic. You guys are also super knowledgeable too, which I love. So, Belisa, let's talk about the different services that you offer here.
Yeah, we want this to be a one-stop shop. Other than the hair restoration, we also have Botox, we have fillers, we have hair laser removal. And if you go to our website, you'll find all the other services we provide. It's quite extensive.
It really is.
And our prices are incredible.
Oh, yeah, that's right. I mean, and honestly, and you guys do free consultations. I mean,
Always.
The list goes on and on. So anyway, congratulations. And super happy for you guys in our Viewers'
Thank
Choice
you.
Awards.
And thank you, Lexington.